Well, good morning. It's May 25th, and this is what's going on in my garden here in Zone 5. You can see the poppies are all done blooming, and the hibiscus is coming up above the ground. This geranium that I planted last year from bare root is doing just fine. Lots of blooms coming on. Here's one right here. All this loosestrife is here blooming just fine. Lots of nice blooms on it. These hardy lilies here are getting ready to bloom. But that one's almost done, almost ready. The roses are down here blooming. I think this rose is called Mr. Lincoln. And here's a miniature rose that we planted. I don't know what it's called. The sedum certainly has been expanding. This is a nice sunny spot right here, so I think it likes it. I actually don't want this daylily here. These daylilies here are getting ready to bloom. This is a hibiscus right here that's just coming up. Look at that iris. These hardy lilies. And grass. Let's just get rid of it. Just to get rid of grass like that, just follow it down to the ground. And yeah, see, we've got the roots, so it probably won't be coming back. This is a hardy geranium that I planted last year. Here's more grass. Oh, this is catnip. Look at all this catnip. This is hardy geranium here that's been here for several years. Look at all this catnip. You must like growing right here. This is a walnut tree that the squirrels planted. This is a dandelion. Look at these peonies. I think they're about done. This looks like a sunflower seed that got planted here. This is bergamot right here. Bee balm. These coral bells right here. And here's the leaves for it. Here, right, going in together with it is columbine. And this looks like a hardy lily right in there. I forget what this is. Probably something I started from seed. I'm going to call it calendula or something. I don't know. This looks like some yellow dogwood or something I planted here years ago. I keep cutting it to the ground. I'm just snipping off some of these blooms that I didn't get to yet. I'm going to leave these seeds just to see what happens here. I think this is grass. Look how tall that got. There's a lot of grass. Now these tulips are finish it up, turn them brown till next spring. I don't know what this is, but I don't think I want it. Here's another catnip growing over here. This is Sweet William growing up here next to the loosestrife. Then right here, hardy geraniums. And I've got several ground covers growing in here. This is Pachysandra. Tulips are all done and fading away. Look at all these crab apples. Well, the robins should like that. Yeah, and the bleeding heart's all done. Rhododendron's done blooming. It's got all this new growth on it. I trim a little bit off these sides so we can keep walking through here. Look at all the clematis. Here's some roses. Those are blazed climbing roses. So I've got roses and clematis growing here. I'm going to guess these are wild phlox or something. I planted a whole bunch of perennial wildflower seeds in here last year. These look like lamb's quarters, so I think I'll just get rid of them. This is a noxious seed. I hate it. I've seen it so many times. I'm not sure what those are, but these ones, these here, I think are California poppies. These would be nice wildflowers. There's a lot of different ones growing here. These right here are chives. Got a big bumblebee on them. Well, that's what's blooming in my garden right now. So I hope you like my garden tour. And can you please subscribe to my channel and like this video? I would really appreciate that. And thank you very much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye.